Okay, I'm literally just packing, getting the side-by-side ready for a camping trip today, and I just got a package here in the mail from Precision Plasma over on Etsy. I will link it in the video description because he makes a lot of awesome stuff. And what these are the brackets for the front to put pod lights on. So I'm going to open these up. I don't know if they come with bolts. I'm probably going to quickly throw them on before the trip. So yeah, let's check this out. It comes with bolts. So I'm going to quickly throw these on, I think. Okay, I'm going to throw these on. I'm not going to wire up the lights because I don't have time, but I think I have time to quickly throw on these lights. So here's what we got. Yeah, that's going to be awesome. So yeah, this is going to just mount on the side of the buggy. And then we're going to mount these lights directly to this bracket. So yeah, these are Nilight flood spot combos. They're pretty cheap, like 35 bucks maybe. And the point is I want to have them on the front, but pointed to the sides, just so that I have a little more, you know, the light bar goes nice and far and straight, but I don't have anything shining off into the ditches to the side. So this is kind of a nice addition for that. Let's see what we're working with here. So it's going in these two holes. I'll leave it like this until we adjust it. Now we're just gonna mount these up. So no instructions, so we're just winging it here. I can always bend the bracket more if I want, but okay, same on the other, just like the other side. I'm gonna actually take the bracket off and then install the light. Awesome. Okay, I'm just gonna tighten up this. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so these are awesome. Like, they were only 30 bucks. So I mean, for 30 bucks, kind of a no-brainer. Because I wanted to build something anyway, and these look way better than anything I would have built. So it's hard to see what I'm going for here. So I'm literally just trying to point them out into the ditch, basically. So yeah, there we go. Quick video. Love it. Like I said, I will, I'll post the link in the description so you can check out his stuff. He's got a bunch of other stuff, whip, mounts, everything. And okay. Anyway, have a good one.